Hi, I'm here with some basic dog training tips. Now, if you want to know how to teach your dog to sit, down, stay, stand, come, or heel, this video is for you. If this is your first time here, I am a retired dog trainer. I have been training dogs for a long time, and on this channel, I share dog training tips and tricks, and all sorts of things to help you with your dog. So if you like what you see here, please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get to these dog training tips. Start all training with your dog on a leash so you have control at all times. I am going to explain to you exactly how I teach them. The treat should be about as big as your pinky nail in size, and something that is tasty and quick to eat. The first command is teaching them to sit. Use your treat to lure dog into position. Hold the treat just above the dog's nose, and take it up and slightly over the head. Now, ask the dog to sit. They should move their body back and set their butts on the ground to follow the motion of the treat. If they do not understand what it is that you are asking, then gently run your hand down their back and apply pressure to their backside. Ask the dog to sit and then give him the treat when the butt is on the ground for a few seconds. You want to repeat until your dog understands that when you say sit, it means to sit. After a while of doing this, I will slowly stop using the lure, and I just say, sit, and he sits. The next one is down. The easiest way to learn this is to have the dog in a sitting position. I just take my hand in the treat and bring them slowly down to the ground and away from the dog, while I say down, and then I give them a treat when their chest is on the ground. You want to repeat this over and over again, and after a while of doing this, then you can just say the word down, and they should lay down. Next is stay. Now with stay, I want you to hold your hand out like you are stopping traffic. This means that they should stop what they are doing. You then tell your dog to stay and take a step or two back from them. If they try to follow, then gently guide them back into position and try again. This will need to be repeated frequently as they will want to follow you. The dog should stay put as asked until you tell them otherwise. Stay is a very important command that may save your dog's life sometime. If you are playing ball with your dog and the ball rolls into the street, you want your companion to stay put, so there will not be any mishaps. Stay will keep them safe. Next is stand. Begin with your dog in a sitting position. You can either lure them with a treat or you can gently guide them into position, using the leash and treat to the standing position. Hold the treat in front of the dog's nose and move it out away from their face. Then ask the dog to stand. Repeating this command over and over will have him mastering the command in no time. This is a very useful command for the vet's office or at the grooming salon. Next is come. Now this one's really important, so I want you to say the dog's name and then the word come. Make sure you use an excited voice. Gently pulling the leash towards you will help him to understand what you are asking of him. When they come to you, then give a treat. You will repeat this over and over again until eventually your dog comes to you when you ask him to come. And the last one is heel. Now, this is a fun one. So what you want to do is to have your dog walk or heel at your side by either luring them with a treat, or you can use a little bit of pressure with the leash. Starting in a sitting position, say heel and take a step forward. Give a treat and say heel. Walk a few steps forward and repeat the command to heel as you go forward. Treat every few steps. Walking next to you will be very beneficial in crowded areas. Just remember to keep your leash loose. You do not want a lot of pressure on the leash, as this causes the dog to pull and try to get away from you. Repeating this will help you and your dog enjoy going for walks together. If you have trouble keeping the dog's attention, try turning around unexpectedly and going in another direction. You can try to walk around in circles, turning to the left and then the right, or even doing figure eights with your dog. Keeping it interesting will hold their attention on you, and not so much what is happening around them. Keep all training to 10 or 15-minute sessions. Always end on a good note. Remember to praise your dog after each time they do well. If you notice that the dog is just not doing well, do one command that they do good and end there. Dogs should be weaned off the treats gradually until they are no longer needed. Praise and a pat or two from you is just as rewarding as the treat. If you are getting a dog, you should be committed to having the best companion you can. Remember, a well-behaved dog is a joy to be around and will never be dropped off at a shelter. I hope these tips were helpful to you. If they were, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy training!